Welcome back, guys! It's been a while. Other stuff got in the way and the channel got a little bit deprioritized. I'm sorry about that, but now I'll be back with more frequent videos. A while back I made a Dwarven hold for Warhammer, and the result was both fun and cool looking. So when Laser Terrain reached out and wondered if I wanted some of their new modular rivers from their new Kickstarter, I immediately said yes, and as soon as I got the big box of stuff, I got to work. The sculpts are really nice and they fit perfectly with what I had already made. I started out by priming the pieces with Army Painter leather brown spray, but most middle brown tones will do fine. I then dry brushed them with a golden brown acrylic craft paint. After that, I airbrushed the water with Vallejo Air green zinc in the edges, followed by Imperial blue for the deeper parts in the middle of the rivers. Then I painted all the stone and rock in Citadel Mechanica standard grey paint. The wood parts and the barrels got a coat of Steel Legion drab from Citadel. I dry brushed both the earth, wood and the stone with a light beige craft paint, and then I gave the stone parts a wash of watered down Vallejo primers, a mix of black and a reddish brown. When everything was dry, I coated all the water parts with water effects. 2 layers is enough for this stage. To finish the water effects, I stippled on acrylic gloss medium from Liquitex with an old brush. This creates a nice ripple effect on the water, as if the wind is blowing across it. It also hides any mistakes made earlier. After that was left overnight to dry, I did a quick dusting of pigment powders to make the stone fit well with my old dwarf scenery. Then I added a mix of static grass and flock and finished everything with some tufts of flowers. I always pick some up when I visit hobby shops, so I have many different brands. The result is super nice and fits so well with my existing dwarf terrain and looked really good with my old hammer Imperial Dwarf army. The river parts print very well and they can be arranged in any way you like, so I highly recommend them. My next project will be an entire Tomb King's desert board with river parts designed for that theme. I hope to see you then. Bye!